Good morning, class. Welcome to your first day of your emotional color project. In this video, we're going to discuss your task list for today, all the things you're going to complete and why. First, our learning goal for the assignment is to examine how color is used in visual culture to show emotion and tone. How have other artworks and artists basically used color and tone to express different emotions? You'll be seeing that in a video coming up. Your central question for the project is, how does an artist's application of color affect the emotional response of the viewer? So whether it's the color that's chose or how they applied it, whether it was blended or it was rough and you could see all the lines and motions, how does that affect the emotion that we sense from the artwork? And lastly, our vocabulary word for today is going to be emotion. This is the perfect word to introduce this project since everything focuses on the emotion. As always, please try to complete your classwork during your class period. And then please try to get it to me by 3 o'clock today. If you submit it late, it might be hard to get caught up, so please try to get everything in by then. All right, so your first task for today is to watch the Emotion PowerPoint video. It will explain the definition and the follow-up question for your entrance ticket. So all your answers are in that video. I think it's about 5 minutes long, not too long. Then you're going to watch the color psychology video. That video is about 7 minutes. It goes over the different colors and what emotions each color can represent. And once you've watched both of those, it'll allow you to give perfect answers for your entrance ticket. So once you watch both videos, it'll take about 15 minutes total. Then you'll quickly answer your entrance ticket. What is emotion and how can the artist use color to express a specific emotion? Once you've done those first three things, lastly, all you're going to do today, you don't need to spend a whole lot of time doing your artwork. You're just going to brainstorm your ideas for your project. Once you have a decision on what you want to do, you're going to send me a list of the following things and post it in the day one progress. You're going to let me know what emotion did you choose, what subject or what thing did you decide to draw to represent that emotion in your artwork. Also, what action, what is that object doing? How does that action or movement represent that emotion? And lastly, what colors did you choose? What colors did you choose and why? And actually, colors wasn't last. There's one more thing. Once you have those four things, I also want you to write just a sentence or two that describes why you chose that emotion for your project and what does it mean to you? How does what you chose, your subject, action, and color choice, how does that best show your emotion? So please submit the list of those four things and then that last description. That's all you need to do for today, and that will be a perfect map for how you're going to progress in the coming days for this project. Because if you don't have the plan in place from the beginning, you're going to be working backwards and your idea, your message might become lost on the viewer. So it's good to create that solid plan first. All right, so just submit that list to your daily progress, do your entrance ticket, and of course watch the videos. Please complete everything in order, because everything is meant to be sequential to make things easiest on you. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing your submissions and have a great day.